Google Classroom. How can I make an assignment that just goes to some of my students and not everybody in my class? To do that, let's go up to Classwork and make an assignment. Let's call this a science project. So you would put the instructions in like before. You can attach different things based on what you need. But to put it to all students or just some of your students, the default goes to everybody in your class. To do just some of your students, I'm going to click on this drop-down menu. Now it says all students, and I only have one student in my class, so I can go to that person. Or if I had like 20 students in my class, I can just simply click the names I want it to go to, and it will only send it to those students. So right now, it doesn't like it because I'm sending it to 0 students. But if I send it to this person, RD teacher, it'll go to them. Otherwise, it'll only go to the ones I see. The people who don't get it, their stream won't be affected. It won't change. They won't know that they even missed an assignment or that wasn't part of it. That's how you make an assignment that goes to just select students in your class.